Do you ever wonder what's out there? What are the tools that I need in order to make my dreams come true and get things done? Online, I mean. How do I become a content creator? And now, Shayne Rains here, everyone. It's me, your favorite stressed out mom that keeps changing careers. But for some reason, this sticks to content creation. There's just something about creating videos that I really enjoy. The past couple of years, I've been trying to get my stuff together. I was doing pretty well, content creation wise, and then I just kind of took a dip way down, and now we're building back up and doing other things. But in this video, I want to talk about some tools to answer some of those questions that I mentioned before. So let's get to it. So when I first started with creating videos, I thought that I had to use things like Sony Vegas or I don't know what else is out there, Final Cut Pro, but I found that it doesn't matter what tools you use in order to edit your videos as long as it's a tool that works for you. Recently, I saw that Charlie Penguin Zero on YouTube or Moist Critical, he said that he still uses Sony Vegas, and I haven't touched Sony Vegas in almost a decade, but that lets me know that it's a tool that really works for him. For me, I have been using Capcut for I don't know how long now. It's been a long time. I've had my bout of trying out DaVinci, which I'm still learning, even Canva for editing. There's also Minvo. I already mentioned DaVinci, Sony Vegas, Final Cut Pro, iMovie. iMovie was actually one of my favorites because it was just super easy, barely an inconvenience, until you realize that the things that you need in terms of customization do not exist on iMovie. So personally, right around now, I've been using CapCut for a long time. I've had Final, I've had CapCut, I've had CapCut Pro. It still allows me to use some of the features that I really enjoy. The ones that I truly miss are enhanced voice and being able to choose whichever template I wanted to use. If it's a pro template, you will have to pay for that pro template. But if you already have the pro plan, you can access whatever you want. Another tool that's super fun and I've used in the past, and it didn't really work out for me at the time, but that was because of my own stuff. I am looking at using it again in the future, but right now there's not enough for me to want to use it. And that's ManyChat. So ManyChat is really cool because what you do is you post something on your feed, make sure to indicate DM, insert whatever word you want to use for a link to blah 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 or whatever it is. But the point is to get people engaged. So if they really want whatever it is that you're offering, for them to comment in order to get a DM, it increases your engagement rate in the comments itself and also in DMs, because then what ManyChat does is it's triggered automatically when someone writes whatever the word is in the comment section, and then it'll automatically DM whatever it is marketing wise that you want to send to the person who commented on your video. See how it's like you have to string these things together and pair them and make sure that it works and makes sense and is giving value to the people. It's not just like a marketing thing. That's ManyChat. It actually is really helpful when it comes to communication. Finally, one of the questions I'd like to pose is, which social media platform would you choose if you had to create a new account today? For me, the answer is, I had asked about which social media platform would you choose if you were to create a new platform today. I would say whichever one would be the most beneficial for your audience, where they are, and the type of content that would do really well. So, and there are a lot of considerations. So, YouTube is not really like a social media platform, it's more for references. Facebook is the largest or the most widely used social media platform in my state, so I would use that. If it is something art related, I think I would go to Instagram. And TikTok for people who want to relate to other people. It is also important to think about the future of each platform. So, for example, TikTok, if ByteDance doesn't sell to a US company, there's a good chance that TikTok will still work, but anybody else who has not downloaded TikTok yet will not be able to have access to it after this ban thing. The legal thing. It's a ramification. Which social media platform would you choose? That's all for me for now. Shayne here saying have a good morning, have a good afternoon, and have a good night. Let me know in the comment section below. What would you add to this video? Do you have any more tips? Or is there anything specific that you want to see me post? Let me know in the comment section. I will talk to you guys soon.